they go past with the stripes and how the way go perfect fits. Looking on the Ritz. Dressed up like a $1 million jeweler. Trying all to look like Harry Kudlow. See what we want, a couple of sweets, we're umbrellas or with sticks or umbrellas in that mix. Looking on the Ritz. Have you seen the world to do up and down Park Avenue on that famous thoroughfare with the noses in the air? High hats and Arab-coppers, white stacks and lots of dollars, spending every dime for a multiple time. If you're blue when you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits? Looking at the Ritz. Different types to wear, but they go pants with stripes and how they go perfect fits. Looking at the Ritz. Dressed up like a $1 million jeweler. Trying not to look like Harry Kudlow.